Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to tap on more connectivity options. Then let's scroll down to find Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Let's tap on it and then tap on Reset Settings. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you cannot undo this action. So if you're ready, tap on OK and wait a second until you will see this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.